how cut. One, two, some more. This is dry. It's very dry. That's what it. Come on, must wash then. This first was must washed.
Oh.
Can drink also. I forgot. See?
Very beautiful.
It stays drinking also. Come on, did you drink? You want to drink?
Your mom also Christian.
Yes, mom and dad also. But my husband Buddhist.
Oh, okay.
Husband Buddhist.
It doesn't matter about the religions when you get married.
Yes, they are big problem. But my husband asked me to allow me to practice my my religion. So then mother said okay. Mother and father. So otherwise they won't allow. And then I go to church, and he also come and visit with me. He also come to, and but he's not praying, and he comes with me and say that in January 1st also say my son also Buddhist, son also Buddhist, but they come with me to pray, and sometimes I go to temple and give alms to the temple. That is both we are doing. But no problem.
No problem.
Actually, no problem. Now we are going to grate the coconut. Not grate, to blend.
Blend.
To blend. And I need this one to put coconut milk. No. And we have to put some little warm water. Warm water. Yes. Then because of the cold days, sometimes it's sticky like. We have hot water here. No, the rice is okay, I think. I made 2 times. Because another we can do.
So you can use again.
Yeah. And we put the curry and slow motion. Now when we eat, we put more chili powder. More eat chili powder. No, we don't like them. Let's eat go.
Yeah. For Sri Lankan people, you put more chilies.
More chili powder. Yes, more chili. Yes. Let's bring some this also.
Yeah, when it's wet.
Wet, yeah. Slow. Slow is the best thing. Slowly, cook slowly. When it will be cooked, you
So
put
how
salt,
many
everything
minutes?
like
Waiting for
30 minutes, like
30 minutes.
Yeah. That is so nice. We take a dash.
Oh.
දෙකක් දෙන්න. ඇති බබ්බු. ආපු තියෙන දානවා. Thank you very much. ඇති. ඔගොල්ලෝ ගන්න ඕන. They are very nice here. Fish one is okay. And now your torch is very essential.
Yeah. Getting dark.
Getting dark. Put some oil.
What is that?
That is wasted oil. Like you call black oil. Black oil little. Then little. Normally we put kerosene oil.
Kerosene.
Kerosene oil. The coconut shell is very, very essential for this. The tug we can, very soon it burns.
Strong fire.
Strong fire. No, that is the real word. Strong fire. Now we can put a kettle also here.
So
boil.
Here also can boil.
Yeah. Then need something to put something. It's tasty, tasty. Salt.
Put the pepper.
Little bit. Right. That is enough, I think. Red.
Yeah, because of beets.
Then we'll think, what is this?
A beautiful color.
Beautiful color, yeah, that's the thing. Beautiful color. This is it. Let onion, very